Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise in the area of weight loss, body sculpting, nourishing your body through the food, and how to stabilize your mental health. This is what I am teaching in my programs. If you want to know more, send me a DM and we'll study from there. In today's video, I want to speak with you why you can't lose weight. There is only one why. You would be very terrified to know this one ingredient and let you set free from it. One why you cannot lose weight: because you aren't committed. You think it's too simple, but it really makes sense and it is true. When you really committed to stand towards something in your life, towards changing something in your life, either you shifting apartments, either you renovating your house, either you changing your style, either you do new hairstyle or you do any sort of transition in your life, you committed. You cannot relocate from your city to other country without full commitment. No one would take care of it. No one would book your flight. No one would wrap up your house and relocate you to other country. No one but you. And here goes the same for the weight loss, for your health, for your body shape, for the way you look. You are the one who responsible towards it. And remember when I was like maybe 15 or 16, I read some topic in a magazine that there is the easiest thing you can handle in your life is your body shape and the way you look. And if you are in some stage of your life that you are not happy with your body shape, or you go through the certain challenges with your weight, with the hormones, with your beautification, maybe you go through a certain disease, you may be really pissed when I tell you the statement that you are responsible for the way how you look, for the way what is your body shape, and the way you appeal towards others in the world. But this is true. And if you take responsibility, if you take a commitment to be the better version of yourself, to be the way you want to look alike, like someone, some actress, some influencer, some TV host, someone from your even environment, because you want to be this woman, you want to be this perfect girl, you want to be this lady that you visualize yourself, or you have a desire to be like, even the best character in a movies, which you would name so many movies you watch in your entire life, there's one movie that you adore because there is one actress, she plays this beautiful woman, this lady, she's so stunning, her outfits, her shoes, her hair, everything is perfect. I want to be like her. I see her in me, or I see myself in her. But it's not like you use some magic pen and you become this woman. It's a job to be in those shoes. And even any sort of perfect woman did so many steps towards to be this perfect woman. Let's say anyone, let's say Angelina Jolie, a Kendall Jenner, Victoria Beckham, Grace Kelly, you name it, Elizabeth Taylor, any of these women. I don't know, maybe you have so many other women in your list, but any of these women, they have committed to something in their life to transform. Or even Marilyn Monroe, she was absolutely having different looks before she became famous, but she committed that she wanna be an A actress in a Hollywood. So she started to elevate her skills in all areas, her voice, her acting, her positioning herself, her body shape, her looks, her hair. And it all takes a courage, it all takes a commitment and a one single decision. I wanna be a better version of myself. Because it's not about, also, do not get wrong me here, it's not that you need to copy someone whom you idolized as a perfect woman. It's about finding the potential inside yourself to become this better and better version of yourself. And each of us, we unique, each of us have own potential, but you just need to blossom this potential And let me remind you that to go throughout this journey, it's really difficult to go by yourself. Even this relocation to the other country, there's always great to have a support, to have a pillar of support, and not someone who would babysit you or tell you that it's absolutely all right, you can have a one piece of cake, you will lose this weight. No, it's about that someone would hold you accountable to this commitment, because we tend to go through a different mood swings, different life situation, and to stay strong on a both feet and committed to the goal, it's take a courage, and sometimes we lack the courage, and it's great to have someone by your side. It could be your partner, it could be your best friend, it could be your family member, it could be your sister, but the best to be out of your circle. It's someone to whom you can truly and boldly rely, to be honest, because sometimes there is a mental challenges, sometimes there is a conflict, to someone to whom you can express fully your position. So I position this person as a personal trainer, as a coach, as an expert. Me, myself, I dedicate myself towards my client as their journey, it's my journey. I look toward to their transformation as my own, and I put every single sweat in it for them to accomplish what they put as a goal for them to transform. And even at the beginning of the transformation, at the very beginning stage, when we indicate what is the goal, I see that there is even so belittling of the goal, because there is potential much bigger. And I'm here to offer for you this full goal, this full potential that you have. And you would see after the time when you have accountability partner with you, when you have a coach, when you have an expert who always hold you by your side, as I position myself as a backbone of yours to reach you to your goal, you would see there is actually a potential much bigger for yourself, and you would reach over there. And again, do not find an excuse that you have no time, that you have no financial support, that you have no ability to invest. But by the end of the day, you do investment in yourself. You are the most expensive asset in your life, not only for yourself, for your family, for your extended family. Either it's your parents, either it's your partner, either it's your husband, your boyfriend, your sister, your kids. It's your asset, because especially women, you are a mother, you are a temple of the house, you are a neck for your husband. If you take care of yourself, you give a power for your family to be also in a healthy state. So if you look after yourself, if you work out, if you exercise, if you focus in your life, if your mental health is in a balance, if you are at the source to be happy and joyful without being a fake about it, but really genuine and authentic, guess what? Your family would be nourishing also from this space, because you are a beginning of it. You give a power for others, because when you have a lack of power in this place, you cannot give to your family what they need. Or if you fake it and you give it to them, or without even faking it, you give them and sacrifice yourself, you have not much to give on a long time. That's why we go through the binge eating disorders, certain issues with the problem with the hormones, with the illness, with the diagnosis, because you do not prioritize yourself. As simple as it is, you take a decision, you find an expert to whom you feel aligned, to whom you trust that he or she would take you on the journey and transform. And it's also a risk, but you need to have a courage and brave to take a decision, to assign yourself to the person and transform. And then you will lose weight, you will get those beautiful hair, you will heal your skin, your gut health, your digestion, your hormones, your sexual life, your confidence. And it's not only about I'm confident in myself. No, it's your self-esteem, it's your self-worth, it's your confidence in yourself, in your power, in your belief, what you can do today, what you can accomplish, how you can take care of yourself, of your family, of your business, and nourish all of this out of you as a physical body, as an emotional and mental space. So you need, my darling, to invest in yourself. If you want to know more how does it all work in my approach in a holistic transformation, I'm inviting you to send me a DM. Send me right now on any social media that you prefer. Send me on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or even email. Send me, Anastasia, hey, I want to have this free consultation call with you and inquire what I need to do to transform. And then even on the call, you would be surprised when you declare what you want, because sometimes even in your thoughts, we get so busy with the negative thoughts that we lost what we actually want to have in the life, in a matter of health, happiness, and joy. So it's a beautiful opportunity to have this discussion, to prioritize the areas of your life and set the direction in what you need to move to elevate yourself, your health, your weight loss, your body confidence, and nourish not only yourself but the environment who surrounded you. I hope this was insightful for you. You take some takeaways for yourself as a food to think, and actually do not think too much. Send me a DM, let's have a call, have discussion, and let's transform your life right now, because this is the best time. You need to do it. Do not postpone, do not wait, do not overthink. Just do it. See you in the next video and see you in my DM on the call. Love you all. Bye.